you see my presentation? Okay. What is written in presentation? You can see there is presentation, they are written. What we know is a drop. What we don't know is an ocean. Children, the meaning of this thought is, हम जो जानते हैं वो सिर्फ एक बूंद है. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें सब कुछ पता है या हमने बहुत पढ़ लिया और हमें we know everything, but that is not true. एक्चुअल हमें कुछ भी नहीं पता. जितना हमें पता है वो तो सिर्फ एक पानी की एक बूंद है, और जो हमें नहीं पता है वो पूरा समुद्र है. मतलब हमें सब कुछ पता करना है. देयर इज मेनी थिंग्स इन द यूनिवर्स दैट वी हैव टू नो. हमें जानना है. So children, if you want to write the thought, you can write in notebook. That is not compulsory. Okay. This is written by Sir Isaac Newton. World famous scientist Sir Isaac Newton was born at Woolsthorpe Manor in Lincolnshire, England on Christmas Day in 1642. वेरी ओल्ड. 1642 में वो बॉर्न हुए थे 25 दिसंबर को, क्रिसमस के दिन. दैट वाज द डे ऑफ क्रिसमस व्हेन ही बॉर्न. 1642. चिल्ड्रन, राइटिंग इज नॉट कंपल्सरी. एज अ बेबी आइजक वाज अ वीकलिंग. मीनिंग ऑफ वीकलिंग इज फिजिकली वीक और फ्रेल. अ पर्सन हु इज फिजिकली अनहेल्दी. So when he born, he was weakling, having lost his father before his birth. जैसे उनका जन्म हुआ, he lost his father. The widowed mother lost all hope of the baby's survival. She never had the finest idea that this baby would one day not only become one of the world's greatest scientists, but also live long. So his mother thought after few days he was died. वो मर जाएगा. But she not thought that this person, this boy was live long life. He will live a long life and he will do such a wonderful was then when he born, his father was lost. He was then shifted to his grandmother house and she raised him. His grandmother raised him. This young boy engaged himself in some activity or other. He made a sundial in stone. Beside, he made a watch that ran on water and a model of a windmill. The sun clock he made is on display at London's Royal Museum. He also loved reading. Yes, he was very weak by health, but he was very, very, very intelligent. From the very young age, like you, he started making watch. और उन्होंने क्या बनाया था? सन क्लॉक. He made a sun clock. वो सन की रोशनी के थ्रू चलता था. That sun clock is very in London's Royal Museum. Still that sun clock he made in his childhood. बचपन में बनाया था. That is kept in Royal Museum. When he was 14 years old, children, you can see, yeah. When he was 14 years old, his mother was once again widowed. He started living with his mother now and started helping her at their farm. Soon his mother realized that as he approached adulthood, his interest in farming was waning. उसको interest नहीं था farming में. At home, he would daydream. He began making models using wood. Scientific model बनाते थे wood से. Finally, his mother agreed to send him college. Isaac was thrilled. At the age of 18, Newton joined the famous Trinity College at Cambridge. It is a famous college. After 4 years in 1665, he gained his graduation degree in mathematics from Cambridge University. In college, his mathematics professor Isaac Barron recognized his potential and started encouraging and guiding him and later become his friend. His professor's name was Isaac Barron. He was also very good scientist and he understand that this boy is magical. He is very intelligent. At that time, the plague epidemic raged all over the England. उस समय क्या हुआ, एक पेंडेमिक आई, जैसे हमारे यहाँ अभी कोरोना वायरस पूरे वर्ल्ड में पेंडेमिक है ना, उस समय इन 1665 जब आइजैक न्यूटन वाज इन कैम्ब्रिज यूनिवर्सिटी, प्लेग नाम का एक बहुत बड़ा बीमारी एपिडेमिक आया, and that time about 10% of the country's population died of this pandemic, same as corona. Schools and colleges were closed. Same, our school and colleges closed. That time in 1665, same pandemic happened, and the school and colleges of Cambridge University too were closed. Newton was back at his mother's farm till the time, just like you are sitting in your home, he was returned back in his home till the time the university reopened after a year and a half. That time Newton stayed with his mother. The time he spent there was the most productive period of his life. His greatest discoveries were made during this time, 1665 to 66, and is known as marvelous year in Newton's life. So children, you also don't waste time. Do something creative, because the time which you getting this time, it will never return back. न्यूटन को भी यही टाइम मिला था जब वहां पेंडेमिक था इन कैम्ब्रिज, और 1.5 आवर सारे स्कूल कॉलेज बंद थे. दैट टाइम उसने ये सारी डिस्कवरीज की थी. सीइंग अ फॉलिंग एप्पल from the tree. See children, he was sitting in his home. Seeing a falling apple gave him insight into the law of universal gravitation. The sheets of his famous work on optics were also laid there. He later elaborated these and were recognized as the world's greatest discoveries of those times. Gravity of the universe is the greatest discovery of that time. In children, you can see here, in 1667, when the university reopened, Newton was appointed lecturer. He made quick progress, and in 1669, at the age of 26, he was appointed Lucasian Professor of Mathematics in place of Professor Isaac Barron. अपने प्रोफेसर जो उसके गुरु थे उनके जगह पे उनको एज ए मैथमेटिक्स प्रोफेसर अपॉइंटेड किया गया. ही वाज सो ब्राइट. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? फॉर लॉन्ग न्यूटन वाज इन्वॉल्वड इन द रिसर्च ऑन लाइट. न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट वर्क एट ट्रिनिटी कॉलेज वाज इन ऑप्टिक्स. While at home, Newton has conducted many experiments in his darkened room with a glass of prism. Prism क्या होता है? Colorful glass होता है through which we can see lights. When he let on a chink of daylight between the curtains of a ray, a white light passed through the prism. It was reflected. Then that time he discovered that white color is a combination of 7 different colors. Children, you also come to know that actual white color is not a white color. It is a combination of 7 different colors which reflect the rainbow. He also designed and constructed the reflecting telescope. This telescope, here you can see, this telescope had an image that was not formed by a lens, but by a concave mirror. James Church had proposed such use of convection mirror. That telescope was a small telescope which performed so well around great interest of Royal Society. As a result, Newton was elected a member of Royal Society. When he showed these things in Royal Society of England, they make him member of the Royal Society, which he donated the reflecting telescope. The diameter of the mirror was 1 inch. बहुत छोटा सा था. One such reflecting telescope is installed at California Institute of Technology, Mount Polar Observatory. Its diameter is about 515 centimeter, means this telescope is very small, what he made, and it was a revolution that time. Okay, children, now next slide. You can see here. In 1664, the famous astronomer Edmund Halley visit Newton. Because Newton was very famous, so
Ma'am, one paragraph is left.
Dhwanit, if you talk in between now, I will remove you. I know. I removed that. I removed that because that is very difficult to understand you in this age. That's why I removed. Now in between you will not talk. In 1664, the famous astronomer Edmund Halley visited Newton. Children, Edmund Halley was an astronomer who researched about the scientific solutions of वैट यूनिवर्स. एस्ट्रोनॉमर क्या होते हैं? जो आसमान में जो स्टार्स होते हैं उनके बारे में रिसर्च करते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स. So he had come to discuss Kepler's law on the motion of planets. Halley came to realize that Newton had laid down the basic law of mechanics. He had formulated the law of motion and the law of gravitation through his calculation and conclusions. At Halley's urging, Newton reproduced the proofs and expanded them into a paper. अब तक वो क्या करते थे? कुछ बना देते थे. वो एज ए एमेचर सीरियसली कुछ नहीं करते थे. नाउ जो एस्ट्रोनॉमर थे हेली, उन्होंने उनको बोला कि इसको एक पेपर में लिखो ताकि प्रूफ रहे. So now he again write this all the experiment in the paper. Halley at once recognized the importance of what Newton had done and also realized that he was dealing with a genius. He persuaded Newton to publish his works and results. He volunteered to bear all the production costs. So children, when Newton written all his experiments और जो भी उन्होंने साइंटिफिक रिसर्च किया था, उन्होंने एक पेपर पे लिखा और वो पेपर उनका प्रूफ बना. तब उनको पता चला, हेली को पता चला, द एस्ट्रोनॉमर, फेमस एस्ट्रोनॉमर, कि द न्यूटन वाज अ जीनियस. और उन्होंने एक भी पैसा, सारे पैसे उन्होंने खुद खर्च किए. न्यूटन को पैसे खर्च करने नहीं दिए सारे प्रोडक्ट के लिए. हेली encouraged Newton to write a full treatise of his new physics and its applications to astronomy. In 1687, Newton finally published the Philosophia of Naturalis Principia Mathematica. This is the मेन बुक ऑफ फिजिक्स. जो फिजिक्स लेके पढ़ाई करते हैं बच्चों, जो साइंस और फिजिक्स लेके पढ़ते हैं, उनके लिए ये बुक बाइबल की तरह है. उन्हीं के लिए सारे लॉ जो होते हैं वो फिजिक्स में पढ़े जाते हैं, रीड किए जाते हैं. मैंने आज आपको ये स्टोरी इसलिए सुनाई क्योंकि न्यूटन जो थे वो बचपन से ही बहुत इंटेलिजेंट और उनको हर चीज अनोखे तरीके से बनाना पसंद था जब वो बहुत छोटे थे. और वहां भी एक पेंडेमिक आई थी, जैसे यहाँ हम अभी पेंडेमिक है ना, कोरोना जैसा, वैसा ही पेंडेमिक वहां भी था. और उसी समय उन्होंने ये सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट, जो उनके मेजर एक्सपेरिमेंट थे, उन्होंने किए थे. तो मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ कि जो टाइम अभी आपको मिला, आपको स्कूल नहीं आना है, घर पे ही पढ़ाई करनी है, घर पे रहना है, जो टाइम आपको मिला है, बाहर भी नहीं निकल सकते, यू ऑल्सो ट्राई टू डू समथिंग इनोवेटिव. ट्राई, पढ़ो, रीड करो, गूगल है, तो कुछ मन हो रहा है बनाओ. That will be benefited for you. You are very young and you are very innovative also. That's why. Now next slide. Okay, that is the last slide. In 1698, Newton was appointed as the master of the mint after working as the warden of the mint from 1696. Children, यहाँ पर कुछ पॉइंट्स मैंने छोड़ दिए जो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है, वो आप नहीं समझ पाओगे. इसके लिए He held this prestigious position. उन्होंने वो क्या बने? वार्डन बने. He was the warden in 1696. He held this prestigious position and made
Ma'am,
Okay, children. So that he held this prestigious position and made many important changes to prevent manufacturing of counterfeit coins. In 1701, he resigned his fellowship and professorship at Trinity College. जब वो बहुत बूढ़े हो गए 1701 को उन्होंने रिजाइन कर दिया. In 1703 न्यूटन was elected president of the Royal Society. जहां पर उनको अंदर आने को भी नहीं मिलता था बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी पुअर बैकग्राउंड, वहां के वो प्रेसिडेंट बने. दैट इज अ ड्रीम बिकॉज ऑफ इट इंटेलिजेंस, हिज हार्ड वर्क, ही अचीव दैट एंड रिमेन्ड ऑन द पोस्ट टिल हिज डेथ. In 1705, Queen Anne honored him by conferring on him the title of Sir. सर की टाइटल ऐसे ही नहीं मिलती, वो उनको मिला था बिकॉज ऑफ हिज साइंटिफिक रिसर्च डिस्कवरीज. सर आइजैक न्यूटन उनको बोला जाता है, सर की उपाधि मिली उनको. ही डाइड ऑन मार्च 20, 1727. कब उनका डेथ हुआ? मार्च 20, 1727 एट द राइट ओल्ड एज ऑफ 85. राइट क्यों बोला गया? क्योंकि वो बहुत ही बूढ़े होके मरे. जबकि जब उनका जन्म हुआ था, व्हेन ही बॉर्न ही वाज वेरी वीक. आपको बताया था मैंने, he was physically weak. सबको ऐसा लगता था कि वो ज्यादा दिन जिंदा नहीं रहेगा, but that boy, that baby कब तक जिंदा रहे? 85 एज तक. and he was done such a miraculous scientific research. The great scientist was laid to rest with other eminent personalists at Westminster Abbey. तो वहां पर उनको दफना दिया गया. and he was the one of the greatest scientists of our world. So children, this is one more thought. No great discoveries was ever made without a bold guess. You can write this, और आपको लिखना क्या है? This. You have to write this. Start writing.
Ma'am, please for future
thought. Okay, first you write the thought. Then first write the thought. Yeah, please write the thought. Write this. This is important. This and this. ये तीनों पेजें आपको लिखनी है. Okay, Dhairya H. Patel want to give thought. कर रही हूँ. फर्स्ट नंबर फिर से करूंगी. हो गया इसका स्क्रीनशॉट? डोंट स्पीक. हाँ, डोंट